Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. Today I'm making natural remedy herbal chicken soup. So I got this beautiful package. You get it from Asian store. They have all kind of roots good for your health. So usually they come like 5 or 6 combination. And what I do is you're just gonna put all this thing into a pot of water. Those are good herbs. So, and I got some goji too. Almost like Chinese we call 四神汤. It's really good for you. You just put everything. They have like angelica root, you know, those kind of stuff. Tong ting hao, you know, white penny roots, Sichuan lavia root. So good for you. And you're gonna cook the soup, simmer for 4 to 6 hours. You know, so healthy. I got this goji, and I put some ginger root, huh? Ginger root. And then I got some shitake mushroom. It's really good for your health. Herbal chicken soup. It's good for you from your head to your toes. Just put everything in, huh? I like the cilantro flavor, so I put a little cilantro. See, I put a lot of stuff in. Oh yeah, this is look something good, huh? Put it in here. Mix it in. Usually all the natural herbal, they have different portion, different ratio. But that's why I bought it. Like the whole back package. I show you again. That's kind of like a 3-4 different kind of package. And right now I want to bring the soup to a simmer. This is like a doctor medicine soup. It's good for men and women. Stay healthy. It's like natural detox, like, you know, good for your blood circulation, promote your health. See how beautiful? And this is the black chicken. It's special chicken. My mama used to get this from Detroit. Special order. Mix it in. And you don't have to season anything right now. So we have ginger, green onion, shiitake mushroom, goji. Goji is really good for you, huh? Goji juice. You see? Those we need to slowly simmer. Extract all the good stuff. So I put a simmer 4 to 6 hours until the meat fall out from the bone. And the chicken bone marrow is really good for you. Okay, Dutch oven will be a good one to use. Little bubble, turn the heat really low. This one's easy to cook. You just simmer for a long time. Simmer, simmer. Okay, right here. And then close the back and just let them cook. Slowly cook. Even though with the lid cover up, your whole entire house smell herbal. Look at that. So nice. I'll turn the light on for you. This is like 45 minutes cooking. And you start to see this, the broth, the color, infused. Ah, very nice. Gorgeous. Let them cook slowly. Sunday, we have time at home. Family get together and just have a nice, beautiful, warm soup for later. It's great for the fall, winter, all year long. While I'm cooking the soup, I'm hungry. I'm gonna cook something really quick. I heat the frying pan. Here I got some beaten egg. Something quick snack. Turn the fire a little higher. I got this wheat tortilla. While the egg's still running, put it in here like this. Little pizza. Good, it's done. That will fill me up while I'm waiting for the soup. Okay, let me cool off for a minute. So we're gonna cut like quarter. Oh. And then 8 pieces. Wow, we can feed 16 people. One tortilla and 2 to 3 eggs, you can feed 18 people. No, 16 people. Huh? It's not bad, huh? When I cook something long time, I always get hungry. I gotta eat every 2 to 3 hours. Hungry all the time. Look at this. You can deal with some hot sauce, huh? Delicious. Very good. Okay, 4 hours. Yes. Simmer as low as you can. See, the chicken meat is just fall off the bone. Look at that. Gorgeous. Whew. Okay. I'm not gonna add any salt or anything. Some people like to add some salt and black pepper. Mama's always cooked this way, just the way it is. And we used to have that flavor of the taste. So we're little kids. Look at that. Look at this. Beautiful. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I don't know how to describe it. It's very intense. So good. It's just, you know it's good for you. You just have to believe it. It's so good. Once a month we should have soup like this. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.